This video will walk you through the steps of setting up your Parent Portal account on your Android phone. The first step will be going to the Google Play Store. Once in the Play Store, you'll search for the PowerSchool app. Once there, click Install. You can then open the app. I would allow notifications. Here you'll be asked for the digit code. The 4-digit code is LPFH. Once again, it's LPFH. And then hit continue. Here you'll be brought to the Albemarle County Public Schools site. At this point, you'll enter your username and then your password. After you enter your username and password, you'll be brought to the dashboard. At this point, you'll have the icons at the bottom that can walk you through the available options.